For us, it was more about addressing the demands of the market. We were seeing market growth. We were really going to be taxed to keep up with that growth. And at the end of the day, what we ended up doing is designing a coater around our customers. And I think you're going to see that as you see the coater itself. It's extremely well thought out to address the needs of certain of our markets in particular. And I think it's unique in that regard. So we're excited.
We're in an environment where we came through some hard times. The markets themselves were declining. Our business wasn't always just in specialty paper. So over the years, a lot of the employees have seen either facilities close or paper machines shut down, people losing their jobs. We're in northern Wisconsin, so there's not a whole lot of manufacturing activity that's going on. So to actually have the ability to add capacity in an environment that's seen a lot of decline is very exciting.
We've made sure to include an entire startup team. So as we've been going through the engineering phase, the design of the coater, the design of the systems to support the coater, we've made sure to include our operators, people who are currently doing the jobs, what works for them, what doesn't, what causes them difficulties, what works well. And that way we can use that information to help us in the design process, working with all of our various OEMs to ensure that when we go to put this coater together and the systems come together, it runs as a unit, it works as a unit, it's very successful, and it kind of meets everybody's needs, from the operator to our customer. We focused on items that our customers were asking for. You know, they want unique products, so we made sure that our coater can handle a variety of tasks. We made sure we can do quick changeover. Our focus again is being able to do smaller runs so they don't have to buy as much material. They can work in their development processes with limited amount of stock, fine-tune their process, and move forward from there as they grow their business as well. The big thing about having our team and where that extra quality comes from is that they care not only about what is produced, but they care about safety, they care about the quality, and they also care about each other. There is no problem communicating at multiple levels to ensure, you know, what's going on. I need answers, I need feedback. It's exciting to see people who don't just come in and basically just turn the machine on and then wait to when can I go home. Their real concern is turning that machine on, making good quality product, and making sure that everything is doing what it's supposed to do during the day. At the end, when they leave their shift, they leave safely. They leave their partners set up and ready to run, so the operation continues. It's a nice focus to see people caring about each other.
That willingness to tailor, that willingness to give really good service, and then really looking at some of the unique products that we can produce that other people can't, really has won us, you know, some new business, and we hope to continue that trend.
Being involved from the standpoint of as you select different pieces of equipment, as you select software, as you get into the programming, it's kind of interesting because you get to see things from a lot of different angles. You get to delight a lot of folks from the standpoint of, hey, I took care of you, you asked about this situation, we were able to program it or put a sensor in or do something this way that in the end is going to make your life as an operator or as an inspector or as a superintendent much better. And delighting people, it's kind of fun. They're looking forward to the coater coming online. It's not a negative to them, it's a positive because they're excited to see all these changes, all these upgrades, all these things we've done to meet the needs of our internal and external customers. It's special for them. It's not a generic off-the-shelf, you know, one-size-fits-all. This is custom-made for their unique application. It works in their situation all the time, and we focus highly on making sure that we repeat it and our quality and everything maintains itself.
Our tagline is making big ideas fly, and I would say our new coater really exemplifies that to a great degree. And more importantly, downstream with our customers, we're there to help them make their big ideas fly.